Oh hey, my name is Marc Ramos, and today we're going over what transferable points are and when you should use them. Let's do it. Transferable points or flexible points are the holy grail of points and miles. If you earn points or miles from a specific airline or hotel, you can only redeem them with that airline, hotel, or its partners. For instance, if you earn a bunch of Delta Sky miles, you can only redeem those miles on Delta flights or on flights operated by a limited set of partner airlines. Likewise, if you racked up a bunch of Marriott Bonvoy points, you can only redeem those points at hotel brands under the Marriott umbrella. But transferable points are not tied to a single airline or hotel loyalty program. Instead, they can be transferred to a number of airline or hotel programs. Most transferable points are issued by banks via credit cards. Some of the most popular flexible programs include Chase Ultimate Rewards, American Express Membership Rewards, Citi Thank You Rewards, and Capital One Miles. Each issuer has a different set of transfer partners, which is important to note when you're choosing a card. For example, Chase Ultimate Rewards offers 10 airline partner programs such as JetBlue TrueBlue and United Airlines Mileage Plus, as well as 3 hotel partner programs such as World of Hyatt. However, there is another element to the equation here known as a transfer ratio. A transfer ratio means how many increments of points you'll have to transfer from a flexible program to an airline or hotel partner to get that dream award redemption. When you want to redeem your transferable points on flights, there are 2 different ways you can do this. You can book flights directly through your credit card's travel portal, or you can transfer your points to a partner frequent flyer program and book based on that program's award rates. While your end goal here is the same, to book a flight using your points, the costs can vary widely. For example, let's say you live in Miami and want to book a getaway to Vail for a ski trip. Not surprisingly, fares on one of the only nonstop flights from South Florida are quite pricey. If you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, you can use your Ultimate Rewards points directly for travel at a rate of 1.5 cents a piece toward travel. So you could redeem 45,680 points for those flights. However, since these flights are available as saver level award tickets with American Airlines, you can instead just transfer 22,000 Ultimate Rewards points to your British Airways Executive Club account to book the same exact itinerary, since British Airways is a partner of American Airlines. Now, just because you have the option to transfer points doesn't mean you'll always get the best value by doing so. When cash prices are low, it could be cheaper just to book directly through a credit card's travel portal than by transferring your points. But ultimately, it comes down to comparing your redemption options and going with the one that'll save you the most money. So, what did we learn today?
The main takeaways are that transferable points expand your redemption options. Each credit card issuer has their own set of partner programs. And just because you have the option to transfer points doesn't mean you'll always get the best value by doing so. So make sure to check out all of your options.
Alright, that does it for me today, but if you like this video, give it a little thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more episodes of PowerPointers, and I'll see you later.